Okay, guys, so you know it's getting near the holidays when I'm backed up on product reviews. I've got knives, I've got seasonings, I've got kitchen appliance, little gadgets, I've got a new wok I want to experiment with. I mean, I've got all this stuff being sent to the show that you know it's time to be picking out what gifts you want, okay? So anyway, come on in close. We're going to do a knife review. And once again, as always, every knife review, we cut the pineapple. We slice the pineapple and see if the knife can cut through the pineapple. I got my pineapple back there next to my pumpkin. We're ready to go. Let me go get everything out and get everything ready. But first, let me show you what these look like, okay? Come on in close. Okay, so they were kind enough to send me a set of 4 knives, and let's find out which one. Look at how nice the packaging is. Steinbrucke is the brand, and from what I can see online, this is a German steel. I'm almost positive. It's funny. Oh no, it is a German steel, is what they say on the web, but it's saying here that it's made in China. So I love German knives, by the way. They're like my favorite, even though some people use Japanese knives. I think they're a little flimsy, a little brittle. They're wicked sharp, just like German's good too. But what I like about German, it's a heavier steel, a stronger steel to me, in my mind. I feel like the Japanese ones, not that I won't review Japanese knives on the show, but why do these keep falling down? Oh, okay. Well, there they go. They look great on their backs. There we go. But anyway, so these, to me, German steel is a tougher, stronger steel. And Japanese is, I see it more sword-like, like razor sharp. I'm sure these are razor sharp too. It's just my preference. That's all. I'm going to start with this one right here. This is called a Santoku, okay? And Tammy really likes these knives. If she has a new set, she's usually grabbing this one to do all her cutting. Okay, that's the Santoku. See those little divots in the side of the knife? That's so, like, if you're cutting cheese, there isn't that suction onto the knife. Kind of breaks the suction when you're cutting things, that you ain't flinging your knife to get things off the knife or tapping it on the spine or whatever. Here's a great one. And a lot of people don't do this, but this is the bread knife. It's super long. It's serrated. It's great for cutting very ripe tomatoes. I know that sounds crazy, but it is. It's very good on tomatoes. We're going to try that out. And then this one here, let's put that one down. This one here is the chef knife right there. I'm figuring that's an 8-inch chef knife, okay? And this one, I'm almost positive, doesn't say, does it? What's that, Michelin? Oh, Munchin, 1979. There's a little thing they have on there. This one seems like an all-purpose, kind of a vegetable knife. I'm not sure what they're calling it, but this is kind of, I consider this the utility knife. Kind of use it for everything, opening packages, doing stuff. I still keep it as sharp as the rest, but I use it pretty much for everything else that these knives aren't used for, okay? So we got the utility, the chef knife, bread, and Santoku. Okay, so let's give these a try right now. Okay, so a lot of you ask what's up with your arm, and a lot of you know that I had a stroke and I lost a lot of mobility in my arm. I can still move it around and everything. But I'm going to try and use this hand because my brain has been giving me the urge to use my second hand. I don't know if that means anything, but I'm explaining to you why I'm struggling. It's because I haven't used this hand in 3 years. So I can use it to hold bottles and pop them open and all that. But I'm going to try and hold this tomato and not cut myself. All right, so let's see how I do. I have had the urge to use this hand. So we're going to take the bread knife and show you how cool it cuts. You've never used a bread knife to cut a tomato. The thinness is amazing that you can get with the bread knife. And once again, make sure you're careful with these knives. They're super sharp. But you can see the thinness. This one didn't cut all the way through. Hold on. Cut that one. There we go. You can see the thinness that it's getting. It's beautiful. That's what I use on tomatoes, or I highly recommend it, is the bread knife. I'm very happy with the weight of the bread knife. It feels perfect in my hand. And thank you, tomato, for allowing me to hold you. But yeah, just hold that on there and just cut away. There you go. And I don't know about you, but I love thin sliced tomatoes. I like them very thin. I like them salt and peppered on my sandwich. And this looks like a beautiful tomato. So let's give the next one a try. Let's grab we're going to grab our chef knife. Oh no, we'll do the Santoku. Let's hold that there and give this a cut. This is what Tammy uses all the time when she's making her salads, or she's cutting her chicken. She uses this knife pretty much for everything. This is razor sharp, guys. I'm barely touching up it. It just went through 2 pieces like nothing. That is amazing, okay? So there we go. That's the Santoku. Definite good job. Before I get this thing cut open. Wow. I got that bag really easy. Okay, well now you get my carrot. Thank you. Put that right there. Let's see. This is kind of an all-purpose. What I'd grab, I would probably use it more on vegetables than anything. Let's see how it works. Nice. Nice. No resistance. Beautiful. Don't want to destroy my cutting board with these beautiful knives. They're doing great on this board though. Yep, it's gonna be great in the salad. And there it is. That is the all-purpose utility knife. And I would use this to cut up vegetables. Definitely. They're all the same sharpness. So let's place that there. Put this over to the side. Get all of our pieces together. There we go. Now I want a carrot. So we're going to take some raw chicken and place it on the board here. And I'm going to now do some cutting. Oh my, this is beautiful. This is really nice. And look at that. Forgot to cut that part. Nice. Beautiful. Thin slices. Exactly what I need for my next video. So we're going to save all this.
Wait, no, let me get out of here.
Yeah, you don't want juice all over you. My wife's leaving the kitchen because every time I do this, there's juice everywhere. Just it flies everywhere. So we're going to use the knife. As always, we always take the chef's knife and cut a pineapple in midair and see if it'll slice it. And I expect it to because it did a great job. Anyway, you guys ready? You ready? All right, here we go. 1, 2. There it is. Look at that. Oh, did I not say 3? No, it's perfect. It worked beautifully. Anyway. Oh, I haven't had pineapple in so long. But there you go, guys. That is the pineapple cut. And we will see you on the next video. And we'll see you with the next set of knives. And be ready for more product reviews. Because, guys, Christmas is on the way. Before you know it, it'll be here.